everyone, my name is Sarah Nitz. Thanks for joining me today. We're gonna do a really fun creative technique using all Chroma Silk Cream hair color.
To prep the hair, I began by spraying it with Purify and Revive Prime Spray generously throughout the hair from roots to ends. We're going to divide the hair into PRAVANA standard 4 quadrants by taking a radial parting from behind the ear to behind the ear and a second parting from nose to nape. Pro tip, sectioning the hair ahead of time creates a roadmap for your final result. Next, we're going to choose one of the front quadrants for an asymmetrical accent. Beginning about 1 inch above the ear, create 6 highlights that will encapsulate and foil by taking horizontal partings and using the following pattern to weave the hair: a micro stitch, stitch, a slice, another slice, a stitch, and a micro stitch. In each foil, we will apply the lightning formula. Pro tip, I like to apply the lightener 1 inch down from the top of the foil. Then I go back, turning my color brush on an angle to feather the lightener up closer towards the scalp. We are going to apply the base formula to all 4 quadrants. Pro tip, when applying the base color, you can bring it further down in the back and not as far down in the front to create a natural dimension. Taking diagonal back partings in 1 inch sections, alternate Formula 1 and Formula 2 throughout the mid-length and ends, blending them into the base formula. Pro tip, start and end your application with the lightest formula, Formula 1, around the face for added brightness.
Thank you so much for joining me today. For more tips and tricks, please join us at PRAVANA.com.